Well, Gallatin County is holding public tours of the current Law and Justice Center in Bozeman.
MTN's Gabby Crevitt went on a tour of the building and has details on why the county says they're in desperate need of a new building.
Overcrowding, structurally unsound, asbestos. These are just a few of the terms county officials used to describe the state of Gallatin County's Law and Justice Center during a tour. This November, the county will ask voters to approve a $59 million bond issue to replace the building.
There's really no way to modify and remodel that building to make it work.
Victim Services is a program through the county attorney's office and is currently housed under the Law and Justice Center. The office works directly with all victims of violent crimes and is inconveniently located directly across jury meeting rooms and jury waiting areas.
We are very challenged to make sure that there's not any interactions between victims and witnesses and jurors that are in those trials.
The hallway's close quarters could result in a mistrial if the wrong people cross paths.
We've actually had to address, thankfully we haven't had any mistrials, but I definitely can say that there's been a few times where it's been very close.
The hallway not only causes logistical headaches for Victim Services, but also makes for an extremely uncomfortable environment for victims of violent crime.
So here we have the shared hallway where jury report and wait for trial. There's a seating area right next to me and 2 jury rooms. Directly across these rooms is Victim Services, where visitors must check in using this intercom and share the reason they're visiting the office that day before being allowed entrance into the offices.
The victim has to describe their issue really in a public forum before they can get into the Victim Services to be served.
And it's just a very intimidating situation for our victims to be in.
During the tour of the Law and Justice Center, a county official pointed out the room where victims of violent crimes report on their cases, a storage closet.
We are offering tours of that building so people can get in and really see how that building functions or fails to function.
In Bozeman, Gabby Crevitt, MTN News.
Gallatin County has daytime and evening tours of the Law and Justice Center, and the next tour is meeting on Monday, October 7th at 10 a.m.